Man is something that I'm particularly interested in. I've carved quite a few, based on a tradition of green men that go back millennia. We don't really know where the actual design originated. It's obviously archetypal and it keeps coming back. Perhaps goes back to Bacchus, Roman, certainly pre-Christian, and it's widespread across Europe. It's not the same as the derivative which we see today, the American wood spirit with the beard and such. This is much more of a quite treacherous sort of, quite untrustworthy sort of character in many ways, and goes back to the time when the landscape around here in Europe was very heavily forested. So I've tried working on the design myself over the years. I've done several, and I've got this one here for you, so you can join this great tradition of carving green men. It's a bit under life size. There are lots of things in this series of lessons that I can't show you. We just cannot film every little part of the process. It's impossible. Very complicated carving, as you no doubt know. However, I can give you most of what's needed in terms of the process, the way we go about it. And what I hope you do is use the working drawing that's down below in the PDF and adapt it a little bit, change it a little bit, make it up a bit as you go along, and don't think you have to stick exactly to what I'm doing. Anyway, so here's the Green Man. I hope you enjoy it. It's probably one of many that I'll do over the years. And yeah, enjoy and have fun, and welcome to the tradition of Green Man carving.